Hello, in this video, we're going to discuss the advantages of conventional fire alarm panels and parts and how they can be easily substituted if you encounter a stock issue. One of the significant benefits of using conventional fire alarm panels and parts is their versatility. They have a modular design that allows you to substitute parts easily in case of damage or malfunction. For example, if you have a faulty smoke detector, you can replace it with a similar one without having to change the entire panel. This means that you won't have to interrupt the building's fire safety system, and you can continue to protect the occupants. At Protegis, we understand the importance of reliable fire safety equipment. That's why we offer a wide range of conventional fire alarm devices, including smoke detectors, heat detectors, and pull stations. Our range of products ensures that you can find the components you need for your fire safety system, regardless of your location. Another advantage of using conventional fire alarm panels and parts is their cost effectiveness. Since they're mass-produced, their manufacturing costs are lower, which translates to a lower cost for the end user. This can be particularly beneficial if you're working on a budget, or if you need to install multiple fire safety systems in different locations. So, if you're a fire safety professional or a building manager, and you encounter a stock issue with your fire alarm panels or parts, don't worry. With Protegis range of conventional devices, you can easily substitute parts and keep your system running smoothly.